Weight loss cleanse. There are many different types of cleanses out there, so it can be difficult to find the one for you. I think it's general knowledge to pick a cleanse that works for you and find one that has been done before. I always say this, but it is important to remember I am not a health care practitioner and I can only tell you about cleanses that has worked for me and cleanses I found comfortable. We are going to look at some cleanses that worked for me, some that worked great and some that worked less well. Why bother with a cleanse? There are simple reasons why one should cleanse. You want your organs to rest, and that can easily be accomplished by a fast. Stimulate your liver to get rid of toxins that might have been building up in your body. It promotes toxin elimination through feces, urine, and sweat. Improve circulation throughout the body. By removing processed foods, a cleanse can aid the digestive process. These are just a few of many advantages that cleansing have for your body. The main aim of a cleanse is to cleanse your blood. This is done by removing impurities from your blood and your liver, where toxins are eliminated from your system. We can already see some of the benefits of cleansing, so let's look at some cleanses. Cleanse your system. These are just a few cleanses that I want to look at. Everything nowadays there are hundreds if not thousands of cleanses. So let's look at a few I found to really make me feel good and feel cleansed. Cleanse in a day. These are a few ways to cleanse. Remember, fasting is also cleansing, and for more on that topic you can read more on this blog, and in some of the articles find complete fasting plans. There is no miracle cleanse or diet that just happens in one day. But by starting on a day a week, for instance, you are bound to feel better and look better. Something a lot of people undervalue is the value of rest, so rest enough and remember to distress. Do more of those things that make you feel happy and calm. Start your day calmly and with meditation if possible, but most importantly, don't rush into it. Take your time and wake up and have hot or cold lemon water. The pectin in the lemon promotes digestion, making lemon a great detoxifying food. Lemon water will also curb your appetite and also boost satiety. When doing a mini cleanse, jumpstart your system after your lemon water with some good food. Skip the bread or cereals that will cause your body to retain water. Focus mainly on protein that will keep you fuller for longer. A salmon and egg scramble would be the perfect day starter. If you are on the go, a smoothie is a good idea. Remember to make it a healthy, planned smoothie. Have all your meals, but make sure it is whole, clean food and stay away from the drive-through and processed foods. Also ditch the salt shaker and use herbs and spices to flavor your food. You will be amazed how after one day you can feel different. When you feel that normal afternoon craving for biscuits and coffee or tea, opt for a healthier option. Dandelion root tea with some almonds will be just as satisfying and much better for you. Dandelion improves digestion, and being hydrated has everything to do with healthy skin, great energy and a healthy metabolism. If you are not a fan of dandelion, you can use green tea for an antioxidant and metabolic boost. As much as it seems painful, get your blood pumping. I always find it so interesting that I don't feel like exercise, but as soon as I start I keep going, and even 10 minutes in I feel refreshed and happy. By doing something simple exercise-wise, you help your body flush toxins all on its own. As I mentioned before, a great way to cleanse is to fast. We fast once a week for 36 hours and the benefits are astonishing. There are many other ways to do intermittent fasting. You can find numerous articles on the internet. There are also different cleanses that focus on specific organs like the kidneys and the liver. This video is completely objective, so we are not sponsored by anyone or any company, so this is purely our opinion, so our opinion is not influenced by anyone. I have heard a lot about a juice cleanse. I would like to see what it entails and how to do it. Juice cleanse. The first point that I came across in many of the cleanses is that they recommend that you do a pre-cleanse. This goes for most of the juice cleanses I have read, as they say it is important to prepare the body for the cleanse and get maximum results. 1 to 2 days should be sufficient before you get going. I say one day as I do fast and eat mostly clean, but if you are one of those that does not really focus on anything and eat whatever you like, you should most probably look at 3 to 4 days of a pre-juice cleanse. Drink that water. Cleansing is about reconnecting with your body again and understanding your body's needs. Drink a lot more water. Dehydration is commonly mistaken for hunger, and it might just be that your body is asking for water. Water will keep your cells hydrated and eliminate false hunger. Cut your caffeine intake. For the best results while you are cleansing, you want your body in a more alkaline state. If you love coffee or sodas, take measures to wean yourself off these highly acidic, caffeinated beverages before you cleanse. Fruit and veg is always a winner. Eat more fruit and vegetables, as this will increase your enzyme intake and will increase your general health. Animal products for the day or two before your cleanse. Lean away from animal products and eat a plant-based diet as far as possible. If you are like me, a meat eater, and eat more than 1 serving of animal products a day, try and cut down the week before you cleanse. These products place a higher demand on your digestive system than plant-based foods. The best is to ease your digestive of these foods so it can kick into high gear when you start your juice fast. Goodbye processed food. The sooner you eliminate processed foods from your diet, the better. It is easy to make better decisions. As I mentioned before in other articles, most foods are labeled, and by simply reading you can make much more informed, better food decisions. Juice cleanse recommendations: you can drink lemon water or green tea in between your juices. Warm water with lemon is incredible for the liver. It starts the cleaning process for you even before you had your juice. Warm water with lemon is actually something we should drink more of permanently, pre and post and during a cleanse. Drink your juice every 2 to 2.5 hours. Consistency is key here, and it's important not to skip juices as you may feel hungry later, and also drink the last one no later than 2 hours before you sleep. There are many recommendations on how long to stay on the juices cleanse for, but I felt best doing it for a 4-day period after my fasting day. I will specify some juices that is recommended. Remember, it won't help much if you don't take into account the number of calories you are consuming. Take time for reflecting after your cleanse to think of how you feel and appreciate what you have accomplished. Start slow when you start eating again. Please keep in mind that your digestive system has been in a state of rest. The first day should include a lot of fruit and veg, and don't start with foods that is very heavy on your stomach like steak. Avoid heavy meat, too much dairy, alcohol and processed foods the first day after your cleanse. I will include some good recipes for you, but the best to have after your cleanse is smoothies. Smoothies. With all health drink, I always caution against getting in too much calories, as we can drink a lot more calories than we can eat, so we have to be mindful of how much calories we drink. So here are some I like that is also healthy. Green smoothie: 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 banana, 2 cups mixed greens, kale, chard or spinach. Detox smoothie: 1 kiwi, 1 banana, 1/4 cup of pineapple, 2 celery sticks, 2 cups spinach, 1 cup water. Apple and berry smoothie: 1 cup mixed berries, 1 apple, 2 cups spinach, 1 cup water. Unsweetened milk will also do. Pineapple and banana smoothie: 1/2 pineapple, 1 banana, 1 apple, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of water. Avocado smoothie: 1/2 a cup apple juice, 2 cups spinach, 1 apple, 1/2 avocado chopped. If you find this smoothie is too thick, add water to achieve desired consistency. As you can see, the above mentioned smoothies are all clean food, and they don't have to be packed with calories to be tasty or healthy. You can invent your own smoothies as long as you keep them clean and you count the calories you are adding to them. Juices. There are many different juices that you can make yourself with a simple juicer. Once again, be mindful how many calories you are taking in. The green juice: 4 servings, 2 cups spinach, 6 celery sticks, 2 large cucumbers, 1/2 lemon, 2 medium apples, 1 to 2 inch ginger, 1/4 to 1/2 cup parsley leaves. Detoxifying juice: 4 servings, 2 to 3 medium-sized beets, 6 carrots, 2 medium apples, 1/2 lemon, 1 to 2 inch ginger. Better vision juice: 4 servings, 8 carrots, 2 to 3 oranges, 1 to 2 inch ginger, 1 inch turmeric. Optional. The sweet juice: 4 servings, 10 large carrots, carrots, 2 medium apples, 1/4 cup parsley. All of the above can be made in advance and stored in your fridge, so by prepping them before your week start you will be astonished to see how much free time you have added to your week. Healthy drinks. These are all drinks that you can have on a daily basis and they are very healthy for you. I don't think I have to elaborate about the first one, that is obviously water. Remember, your body is 70% water and we cannot live without it, so make sure you always get enough of it. It is a very healthy option that will also help with the hunger pains, or lemon water. Lemon water is a rich source of vitamin C. It also protects from immune system deficiencies. Drinking lemon water every morning will help with the pH balance in your body. It's also great for dental health as it prevents gingivitis. I also like to infuse my water with cucumber. Cucumber water promotes healthy skin and can help soothe your skin from the inside out. Be sure to stay hydrated as it helps the body flush toxins and maintain a healthy complexion. There are many healthy drinks that is great for your body, and by doing a few simple searches on the internet you will find many. On our blog you will also find a full article on teas that is very healthy and good for you. Here are a few more ideas for you on healthy drinks. Some teas: coconut water, homemade iced tea, fresh squeezed juice. There are many different recipes on the internet and I would definitely recommend that you make some drinks at home. The problem with many store-bought drinks, even iced tea, is that are full of sugar and you are not doing yourself any favors by drinking them. So make your own at home and carry it with you when you leave the house.